You know, I don't really have anything to do today. I think I'll just walk the dog. So, Shadow, how are you enjoying this walk? Yeah, me too. Me too.
Greetings, weary traveler. My name is what? My name is who? My name is Chicka.
Harold.
Couldn't help but notice this magnificent specimen.
Well, you know, I've been lifting weights lately, you know, as you may tell.
Not you, your dog. Let's take a close examination of this. Yes, it seems like you have a pugnacious carnivораlis.
It's a pug.
Pugnacious carnivораlis?
Whatever.
It seems your dog has urinated on my hand-me-downs.
Yeah, I kind of forgot to tell you, but he pees a lot.
Okay then. Well, anyways, peace be with you, brother. Yeah. Ow. Rosebush.
Well, that was kind of weird, huh, Shadow? Well, I just hope we have a better walk.
OMG, so, Destiny, I was like totally there that one day, and yeah, OMG, let me call you back, okay? Okay, Lolo Coaster. OMG, Zachary, that is such a cute.
Sure, I know. I got it yesterday.
No, I meant your dog. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, I kind of forgot to mention that he pees a little.
A little? More like a lot. This is all your fault! God, boys.
What the heck was that for?
Hey, Zach. Look at my new dog.
Donnie, you do know that dog's
The best dog in the world! Roll over. Levitate. Levitate. Good boy. Now spin. Woo! Good boy.
Donnie? Never mind.
Alright then, Zach. See ya.
I think I'm done walking a dog today.
Hi, Zach.
Hey, Chris.
How come you're not wearing any shoes?
You know, I just kind of felt like being Frodo today.